Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the gear and enabling connectivity. Put your Bose QuietComfort into pairing mode, press the Bluetooth button until it flashes blue, because the PC can only see discoverable devices. On the PC, open Settings, choose Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices and turn Bluetooth on. This is required for discovery. Once done, keep the headset close to the PC so signals remain strong, and make sure no other phone is actively connected to the headset. Now you pair and configure audio routing. In Bluetooth settings, click Add Bluetooth or other device, choose Bluetooth and watch the list populate. Select Bose QuietComfort when it appears. You may see a pairing prompt, accept or enter 0000 if requested, then wait for connection confirmation. After pairing, open Sound Settings, pick Output, and set Bose as the default playback device so apps send audio there. If you need microphone input, also set Bose under Input. Finish by verifying functionality and knowing one key fix. Play audio to confirm sound, then test the microphone in Sound Control Panel. Adjust volume levels if output is low. If connection fails or audio drops, turn Bluetooth off and back on, disconnect other paired devices, and restart the PC. This often resolves interference. If problems persist, open the Bose Updater app to check headset firmware. Updating firmware can fix compatibility issues, so make sure the headset is current.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.